Hello, this is Deanne Hermes, Coordinator of Digital Learning in the Monroe School District. And today I want to talk to you about how to use the Canvas Parent app. To get started, just a quick reminder about Monroe's 3 commitments to powerful instruction, equitable access, and high expectations. So to begin with, what you will want to do as a parent is go into either the Apple Store or the Android Store and get the Canvas Parent app. You can use this app on either a phone or a tablet. And you can see at the top left-hand corner of the little gray box what that app looks like. Once you have gotten the app on your phone or tablet, you're going to go ahead and open it. And the first step is to create an account. So go ahead and click on that button. And this will bring up for you some information that the app needs to have. Now, the way that Canvas works is it integrates information from Skyward, which is our student information system. And so when your student has been registered into the Monroe School District, your information goes into Skyward. Please make sure that when you sign up on this app that you use your first name, your last name, and the same email address that you registered with in Skyward. If you don't use the same email address that you registered with in Skyward, please contact your child's school and find out how you can get that changed. Again, it's really important that information is the same or it won't allow you to access your child's information in Canvas. Now, the next step is the password and then confirm the password. This can be a unique password to Canvas. It doesn't have to have anything to do with anything else. All right, so once you have put that information in, the next step is to find the school district. So you're going to go ahead and start typing in Monroe School District. And on the right-hand side of the screen, notice that it starts to bring up a list of Monroe. And you are looking for the one that is specific to parents. Go ahead and select that. And then it will ask you to associate yourself with your student. And so you're going to go ahead and click on Add Student. Now, just a little side note here. If you, we use Canvas in grades 6 through 12. If you have more than one child in those grades, I'm going to show you how to add one right now, and then a little bit later I'll show you how to add the rest of them into your account. So to begin with, a piece of information you're going to need is your student's email account, school email account, and also the password to that account. That's how that Canvas is going to link your child's information to your information. This is a one-time only. You don't have to do this every time. This is just initially to set up your account. Your child is very familiar with their email account and their password, and so they could probably type that in on your phone or tablet real quick for you and save you some time. Okay, so once you finish that, now your account is linked with your child's account in Canvas, and you have a role we call kind of an observer role in Canvas, and that means that you will be able to observe some of the things that happen within Canvas. And that's the power of this app, is that you will be able to see assignments that are due, and you'll be able to get notifications for different things that happen. So let me go ahead and first I'm going to show you how to add more than one child into your account, and then I'll walk you through how to use the app. So to get started, this is the main screen that you will see when you enter into Canvas. And on this main screen, you're going to notice your child up top, and then you will see a couple of classes. These are the classes which your child is enrolled that use Canvas. It's quite possible, like with this particular student, that only 2 of her 6 classes actually use Canvas. And so those are the only 2 that you will see here. But nonetheless, you'll be able to track those classes in Canvas. Okay, so the next thing, let's go ahead and at the top right-hand corner of that screen, you're going to see the little gearbox. If you click on that, then it brings up for you your settings page. And in this settings page, you will see a plus sign. If you click on that, it is going to walk you through how to add other students into your account. And so you will go through the same process you did with your first student. And then in your little list right here, notice I have 1 student listed. As many students as you enter will be as many students as you see on your list. So if you have 3 children, you will have all 3 of them entered there once you go through that process. Okay, now a couple of things I want to show you now is how to better use the app. So the first thing is you're going to want to set up some notifications. So in that settings, you've clicked on the gear, you're in settings, and you will see your child's name. You're going to go ahead and click on that little arrow next to their name, and this will show you the notifications. You can get alerted to different things that happen within Canvas, and this is to help keep you updated with your students' progress and how their account is working. So you can see there's lots of choices. If you want to choose to be notified about different grades, you can select that, and you can put in the actual percentage. If you want to know if they fall below a C average, you can put that in, etc. If you toggle on the missing assignments, anytime there's a missing assignment, you're going to get a notification. And then at the very bottom, teachers have access to be able to make announcements in Canvas. If you wish to see those announcements, you can click that on as well, and then you will see announcements that come from the teacher. So again, this is ways that Canvas will notify you depending on your selection. If you don't want to be notified for anything, you can just leave this blank and you won't receive any notifications. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you is actually how the app works. So you've clicked on your student, and now you're back on the main page that you see, except you'll notice underneath your child's name that there are 3 different tabs: Courses, Week, and Alerts. So when you're in the Courses tab, that's your introductory screen. That's just going to show you what classes that your child has. When you click on the next one, the Week, this is how you can toggle through the different time periods, and you'll be able to get a list of what Canvas notes as is happening in the class. And so it will list for you every day that week. You'll notice that if there isn't anything due, it will tell you that. And so anything a teacher posts in Canvas will show up on this list for you. Now, this list is set up to be so you see everything in every class that your child is enrolled in Canvas. If you wish to see just one class, if you look over to the far right-hand side of the screen right now, if you click on that list from the courses, then it opens up just that one class, and notice how you will just see the information from that one class. So that's just kind of different ways that you can differentiate between what you see. And then there's little arrows, so if you want to toggle between the different weeks, you can toggle between the different weeks. Notice on these pages that the Canvas app will show you if there's been missing assignments. It will show you if there are late assignments. It will show you when things have been submitted. On your middle screen, if you look toward the bottom, you're going to see an assignment has been posted, but it hasn't come close to the due date yet, and so it's just there. Now, on any assignment in Canvas, if you want to know more information, if you click on that assignment, like if I clicked on warm-ups argument, it would tell me some details about that particular assignment. So those are the features that you can get to that you're able to see. You're able to see the due dates. You are able to click on those assignments so you can get some more information, and you are able to be alerted in case a grade drops or in case there are missing assignments. So kind of in general, that's the way that the app works. A couple of last details. If you want to get some help topics, go into the settings and you'll click on the question mark and you can see it pops up a list of help topics. Finally, if you log out of your Canvas app and you want to get back in again, you will, as soon as you open up the app, you are going to use the top part of that app now and just enter your email address, password, and log in.